Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Yaris radiator. Begin by draining coolant into a pan and disposing or recycling properly, then lift the hood and remove the radiator cap carefully when cool. Wear gloves and eye protection, and have a torque wrench and replacement hoses ready. Label any disconnected wiring or clips to simplify reassembly and keep small parts in a tray for later. Start by removing the top mounting bolts and the fan shroud if present to access the radiator fully, then loosen clamps on the upper and lower hoses and slide them off. Disconnect the transmission cooler lines if your model has them, catching fluid with a rag or pan. Support the radiator as you remove remaining bolts, then lift it out slowly to avoid bending fins or snagging wiring harnesses on the frame. Place the new radiator into position and start bolts by hand to ensure alignment, then tighten to the recommended torque while avoiding over-tightening. Reattach hoses and clamps, reconnect transmission cooler lines if applicable, and reinstall the fan shroud and any removed sensors. Refill the cooling system with the correct 50/50 coolant mix, run the engine to normal temperature, and watch for leaks while topping off any drops in the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.